everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing a jalapeno cheese dip. Super easy. It is Super Bowl Sunday. This is last minute sides. Awesome stuff. So I'm going to walk you through each ingredient as we add it in, and the recipe will also be in the description below. Just hit show more. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get right into this thing. Right into the ingredients. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese here. Make sure it's at least at room temperature. I put mine in the microwave for about 15 seconds just to soften it up. Next, we're going to add, it's 3 jalapenos chopped up. It's about 1/3 of a cup. Next, we've got our, we're going to use rotel, the original rotel. I drained about half of the juice. Dump that in. Now we got some seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Sprinkle that in. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of sour cream. Already smells delicious. Alright, and here we have, it's 8 ounces of Colby Jack cheese and 16 ounces of pepper jack cheese, but you're only going to use about 14 ounces of that. Leave about 2 ounces out to top it, and let's dump it in. Alright, now with everything in the bowl, let's go ahead and mix it up. Alright, so we got our mixture all done up. Yeah, just all mixed up. Oh my gosh, cheese and everything in there. So what we're going to do is transfer it into a dish. See you in a minute. Alright, so we went ahead and transferred it in just to a, your regular glass dish. And now we're just going to spread it out evenly all across. Alright, here's the finished product all smoothed out for you. Last step. We're going to go ahead and top it with some more cheese and some jalapenos. The oven is warming. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, last thing before we throw it in the oven is the rest of your pepper jack cheese, or you could use any kind of cheese you want on this for all the mixtures. But a little bit of pepper jack cheese to top it off. And then we're just going to add some jalapenos on top of that. Alright guys, we added our cheese, our jalapenos. Oven's heated up at 350. We're going to go ahead and throw it in. You don't need tin foil or anything on it. Just put it in just like that. We'll see you in about 30 minutes. Alright guys, I just wanted to bring it back real quick. So 30 minutes, not sure if you see that. Anyway, it is super good. So we're going to bump this up to broil for about 1 to 2 minutes to get the top crisped up, and we'll see you then. Alright guys, we're back. It's been literally about 1 minute and 30 seconds on broil just to get the top crisped up. Let's see what it looks like. That looks amazing. Let's go to the cutting board. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, we're finished, and this is what we ended up with. I mean, melty, cheesy goodness. I mean, that is awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and take a little bit. I got a baguette here. Just let's dip into it and see what we got. Oh man, look. Oh, look at the jalapeno up in there. Oh, that is hot. Oh man. Oh, that is an amazing last minute dip right there, folks. Absolutely. So we're going to wrap this up. We'll see you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook, and it turned out amazing. I mean, this is a last minute Super Bowl side appetizer. You cannot go wrong. It will be the hit of the party unless somebody's making brisket or something like that, obviously. But this is going to be a hit for sure. Make sure to check out all the videos I have. There'll be an iCard up here for another, some more appetizers and great stuff as well. I'm going to wish you guys a happy and safe weekend for Super Bowl. And with that being said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.